Hi, greetings from EP Kamath Group. Friends, right from the day we were established way back in 1991, nearly 30 years ago, we have been focusing on introducing environment-friendly products. If you consider powder coating, which we started in 1991, is the most environment-friendly surface coating technology of the new millennium. In 2002, we came up with the FRP doors, which replaced wooden doors and thereby saved trees. We did this with technology from RV Tyfec. This was followed by the biodigester toilets in 2017 with technology from Defense Research Development Organization, that is DRDO, which actually eliminates the contamination of groundwater table vis-a-vis the traditional uses. And now, as we were going through the journey and interacting with architects, builders, engineers, industries, hoteliers, we understood that people have not been very happy with the sewage treatment plant that they have been using. The effectiveness vis-a-vis the cost has been an issue for them. We therefore decided to work on this particular aspect. In the meanwhile, Pollution Control Board also came up with stringent norms. Okay, we accelerated our process in developing a very innovative system which is called as the BioSTP Plus, which is being launched today. BioSTP Plus is an innovative system which is using multiple technologies to treat wastewater so that we get a perfect solution which fits into all the norms of pollution control, as well as it gives the whole thing in a very cost-effective fashion. The most important part of it is the entire treated water can be recycled for multiple uses. We at EP Kamath Group are extremely happy that by introducing this BioSTP Plus, we have been able to deepen our contribution to a clean, green and safe planet. We look forward to all the stakeholders supporting us in this initiative. Thank you.
I congratulate Kamath Group, especially Mr. Rajkumar Kamath, for introducing the new concept of manufacturing STP plants in Goa with the requirement of all the type of industries, whether it is apartments, whether it is commercial complexes, hospital, institutions, or whatever asked for. And he has already launched bio toilets in Goa, the first of its kind with DRDO technology. I congratulate him for his endeavor and entrepreneurial skills in bringing new things for Goa. We have been always looking for something which has to be done in a right format. Instructions have already been given to Goa Pollution Control Board for putting empaneled contractors for STP plants. The reason being is because we have seen a lot of STP plants designed and failed, and then there is no hand-holding partner. So putting STP plant owners or plant operators or plant manufacturers on the desired list will give us the desired result. And Rajkumar Bab coming at his affairs, I wish him all the best. I wish his team all the best and give Goa the new look what Goa requires to have. Thank you.